Welcome to video lecture series. I am Dr.R.Abinprakash, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Akshaya College of Engineering and Technology. In today's topic is reduction of quadratic form to canonical form by orthogonal transformation. What is quadratic form? Means a homogeneous polynomial of degree in second degree in any number of variables is called a quadratic form. Next, how to change a quadratic form to matrix means this is the format. Coefficient of this is our required format. Coefficient of x square 1 by 2 into coefficient of x1 x2 1 by 2 into coefficient of x1 x3 in 1 by 2 into coefficient of x1 x2 x1 coefficient of x2 square 1 by 2 into coefficient of x2 x3 1 by 2 into coefficient of x3 x1 1 by 2 into coefficient of x1 x3 x1 and coefficient of x cube square. Next, index and signature is the one of the very important things in that section. What is index means? Number of positive eigenvalues in the canonical form or number of positive square terms in the canonical form. Signature, difference of number of positive and negative square terms in the canonical form. Rank, number of square terms in the canonical form. How to find nature? Nature having different type. Positive definite means if all eigenvalues are positive. Negative definite means all the eigenvalues are negative. Positive semi-definite means if all eigenvalues are positive and at least one zero. These are the things. Next example, reduce the following symmetric matrix to a orthogonal to a diagonal form 8 minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus 4 2 minus 4 3. The characteristic equation is lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus s3 equal to 0.